Chizoba, Nollywood actress, the PA just run away with her money. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Chizoba. When I see this video just now, the thing really shocked me, like seriously. The thing really shocked me, like, wait till Chizoba can't do this guy now. Chizoba will be saying a Nollywood actress will just the start. Wait till she can't do rich like that now. Where this boy now can't just give her this pains, this cry. As I dey talk to her now, so Chizoba now, the cry where she don't cry, not be small one. Chizoba and Nollywood will just the start. Chizoba never just blow like that, like the way the rest now they do for social media. Chizoba just the start. When I understand me, my people, Chizoba never just really like make money like that. You understand? This guy, I not just understand though, my people. Like this is they baffle me. You know, this guy, na a PA. Now in the evil help and they operate in YouTube. When I go see left from this one, on where they look for person where go they help on for on YouTube. Now the guy they help for YouTube, they help for so many things. You don't know say the guy get plans, say the guy na bad person to run. So my people, more listen know. Now this boy now na PA of Chizoba. Chizoba no know say na evil person to run. Na a name himself, you don't know. One day, this boy just carry Chizoba money. Everything where Chizoba gets. Where Chizoba don't work for, he just carry and run. Chizoba YouTube, he change everything. He put in own name, he change everything. Now, Chizoba not get access to her YouTube again. Because as a PA, we be say, now in the app and they operate in YouTube, he gets everything about Chizoba. As I they talk to her now, so Chizoba now. Even I say na hospital in the every day now. This guy changed everything about Chizoba. He changed everything. As I they talk to una so. As I they talk to una so, this guy changed everything about Chizoba. Chizoba na not get access to our YouTube again. Chizoba na not fit enter our YouTube again. This guy, he just carry pains for Chizoba body. People did this word though. He PA for that matter. Who best you can see trust again now? If you don't consider trust your own PA, now wow, this life not balance. Oh. This life not balance. In fact, the life be balance. People where they the life now no balance. I they always they talk before I will say the life no balance. No, I they change now. The life be balance. Oh. People where they no balance. People where they the life now no balance. Oh, my people. For me, I never see this kind of thing before. I never see this kind of thing. PA. If you not can trust your PA, my people, who you can trust? Not be your PA you go trust. What did this guy do to Chizoba? So now go see my people. Chizoba na get we just they start. We suffer they manage. Chizoba never just blow like that, Chizoba where they manage. Now this guy you cause this kind of pain to your body. Fear God, though. This guy, oh, fear God. Fear God. For what you do, so may you fear God, What did Chizoba do you rich like that? When you just give on this guy, no, don't do person like that, nah. Ya we gbe ya bonye ne do. Don't do person like this. What did this guy do so? It is very, very painful and touching. Very, very painful, like seriously. Very, very painful for person to do this kind of thing to fellow human being, your OPA for that matter. If person not trust the personal PA, who he go trust? I PA. He must trust the PA. That is why he give everything to her, make it the help and the handle her. That is why he tell her make it the handle everything for her, but he don't know say na he enemy. Now he just go to make it the help. You don't know. You don't know, my people. It shocked me, Sha. It really shocked me. Like, I was like, anyway, and I saw God one time. Maybe they happy say, you know, evoke me herself. Maybe she they happy say, not me her, my people. So that's how I'll talk the matter reach him. Anything wanna think about the video. Wanna leave on a comment to Chizoba na person wey suffer dey manage. Na small girl wey just dey start. Now see pace wey they don't cause for her body. Anyway, shit happens sometimes, you know. Something they happen, maybe we take get sense. So my darling people, wanna help me leave on a comment for the comment section. Anything wanna think about the video. Bye everybody. Bye.
Share the video. Let the video go viral. Yes. Uwaya to off waya go waro. Meno we one waya new generation prophet atiti off waya gbe. Ero mo wi yomo ya fe kin wase kin warame. Igbama walao evini ado tana wa ge son wagbe wa ge we wa ogbo meno omoni we ni kata ni omo no gwera bi ye dia ehin evini re do tam wa we na iwie do tawe ate wa mu gbize ana wa mu akano wina ri begi oma ewon owokoko na asaboro waya ye phenomenon emi na gbon ama we gbe wa yo pa ori fo egbe your heart desire usabaga ya wewe emi ni do tamu pe atamu ko we na is a short video in wina yena nu wala